Meglepő, hogy egy órában mennyi mindent sikerült belesűríteni. Betekinthettünk mind a konkrét autó dizájnjának a kulisszái mögé, de úgy összességében a dizájneri munkának a kulisszái mögé is, ami nagyon-nagyon érdekes volt. A napi munkában is nyilván ad egy boostot, mert minden alkalom szerintem, ami a konkrét termékhez, az ügyfélélményhez közelebb hoz minket, szerintem az segít motivációt nyerni a mindennapokban.
A mai rendezvény kapcsán nagyon pozitív megéléseim vannak, hiszen betekintést nyerhettem egy dizájner munkájába, és abba, hogy hogyan került megalkotásra az új Q3.
This kind of events from the beginning, when we get a notification that we can meet the actual maker or the designer, are really thrilling. Since the moment that you send your application and you get accepted and you are just looking forward to the day. From this event, I think that the most important that I carry with me is motivation to keep developing application in a way that will fit these nice designs that we will have in the future.
It was really refreshing and it was really interesting to see a point of view out of the design, I would say, and the department that we are used to work in design. I would say the favorite part of the car is the ride volume. In general, how the car stands, how it feels proper SUV, and in particular, how we set up the front, because it feels really dominant and sporty. For me, how a proper SUV has to be. I would say I think we have a really good car, and it's part of all of us that is getting even better. No? So let's start doing it now.